Hello guys and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to solve a particular example about trigonometric ratios in a right triangle that I explained in my previous video. But before guys, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button and stay tuned for more videos. So in my previous video I defined the three trigonometric ratios, the three important or most important trigonometric ratios, which are sine A or sine an angle, cosine and tangent. I said that sine angle A is the side opposite to angle A divided by hypotenuse. Cosine of angle A is the adjacent side to angle A divided by the hypotenuse of the triangle. And finally, tangent of angle A is the opposite side, you divide by the opposite side by the adjacent side. Also guys, tangent angle A can be seen as sine A divided by cosine A. This rule will be proved in other videos later. So here guys, we have a direct application about how do we solve the trigonometric ratios. So given the right triangle ABC, and please pay attention guys that if the triangle is not right, you cannot use the trigonometric ratios. So given the right triangle ABC at angle A such that measure of angle C is 60 degree and measure of segment BC is 12 centimeter, and the question is to find the measure of the other side, yani measure of side AB and measure of side AC. But guys, before I start finding these sides, I advise you to every time guys to try to draw a diagram. The diagram can help you to understand how do we find or how to apply the rules. So guys, don't start solving without drawing a diagram. So I'll draw a right triangle ABC, and it's clear that this triangle is perpendicular or right at A as the given, and BC is equal to 12 centimeter, and that the measure of angle C is equal to 60 degree. And I called the sides AB and AC as X and Y. And of course here the question is to use the trigonometric ratios to find both X and Y. So first of all, let me start with X. So guys, before you start using any rule, you have to understand the relation between the given and the thing that you need to find. So here I need to find X, given angle 60 and the hypotenuse as CB as 12 centimeter. So guys, if you look carefully here, X is opposite to angle C and given the hypotenuse, which means that I have to use the sine rule because sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So here I can say that simply sine 60 is equal to opposite, which is X, divided by the hypotenuse, which is CB, and it's equal to 12 centimeter. And then this implies that X is equal to 12 sine 60. Then, which is equal to 12 sine 60, you can use your calculator here, it's radical 3 over 2, which is equal to 6 radical 3, which means that the measure of X or the measure of side AB is 6 radical 3 centimeter. In the same manner guys, I'm going to try to solve or to find the measure of the other segment, which is segment AC, and I used Y. So same thing, I'll try to find a relation that relates the angle C and the hypotenuse or the given with the segment Y. As you see, the segment AC, which is Y, is adjacent to the angle 60 and given the hypotenuse, which means that I have to use cosine to find the measure of Y. So I can say that cosine 60 is equal to the adjacent side, which is Y, divided by the hypotenuse, which is 12. And it implies that Y is equal to 12 multiplied by cosine 60. And so this is equal to 12 times cosine 60. You can use your calculator guys, it's 0.5, and make sure to set your calculator on degree option, not on radian option. So 12 times 0.5, so this will give 6 centimeters. So as a result here, X is equal to 6 radical 3 and Y is equal to 6 centimeters. So this is how guys we can apply or we can get benefit from the trigonometric ratios to find the sides of a triangle or the missing sides of the triangle. And all what you need to do, a given angle, of course a right triangle first, a given angle and a given side, then you can find and deduce the other three sides. Also, you can deduce here the measure of angle B either using trigonometric ratios or due to the fact that the sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So 90 plus 60 will give 150. 180 minus 150 is equal to 30. Of course, I'm going to explain this in different video later. So this is everything for this video, guys. So please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. See you later, guys. Thank you.